Every year in Germany, thousands of major events are organized and take place. People come together on all kinds of occasions to celebrate, do sport or to work. Both visitors and organizers would like these to be as safe as possible. But how can this safety be guaranteed? To what extent can large crowds be channeled? How can their behavior be predicted and planned? An interdisciplinary team of researchers, practitioners, safety experts and industrial suppliers has been concerned with these questions since the beginning of 2012. In order to investigate what makes major events safe, the Federal Ministry of Education and Research funded the joint project BaSiGo, an acronym based on the German project name, which translates as Modules for Safety at Major Events. Experts from research disciplines in various safety fields have been working together in this joint project in order to produce recommended guidelines for the safe organization of major events.
Die interorganisationale Zusammenarbeit auf Veranstaltungen ist wichtig, weil es gar keine Alternative dazu gibt.
One central task of the project is the organization of interdisciplinary cooperation. All of the authorities and groups involved and the organizer must get together and work in a coordination committee. How can such meetings be organized in practice?
Es gibt verschiedene Phasen, in der Regel 5 Phasen, die Ideenphase, die Planungsphase, die Umsetzungsphase, dann die Durchführungsphase sowie dann die Nachbereitungsphase.
Der Beginn der Planungsphase ist für uns erstmal so ein ganz, ganz wichtiger Punkt, um überhaupt mal so die Anforderungen und die Bedarfe der beteiligten Akteure abzustimmen und sie dann im Verlauf der Planung immer wieder auch miteinander abzugleichen.
Gerade für den Veranstalter, der zeitnah Entscheidungen braucht, den großen Vorteil, er kriegt diese Entscheidung von Entscheidungsträgern in einer adäquaten Zeit, um diese auch umsetzen zu können.
Wie sind die Kompetenzen, wen kann ich denn überhaupt ansprechen und wer ist in dieser ganzen Sache auch verlässlich?
In other words, where is there potential for improvement in consultation? How can a culture of regular cooperation in all the phases of a large event be established?
Die Zusammenarbeit im Koordinierungskreis ist deshalb von entscheidender Bedeutung, um in kritischen Situationen zeitnah die richtige Entscheidung abgestimmt treffen zu können.
The Public Order Office is normally the first authority that event organizers consult. This is where the license to serve drinks is issued, for example. This authority often then functions as a mediator between the organizer and other agencies. Depending on the type of event, it involves the relevant agencies and organizations in the planning procedure. Coordination with the organizer and among the agencies responsible, and also their expertise, are indispensable to the success and safety of an event. For the various event phases, safety modules have been developed. This enables the different steps of the approval process to be highlighted from the perspective of the various project partners. The most important instrument here is coordination with respect to the safety concept. It is precisely here that the joint work of the project partners has proved valuable. In order to determine the volume of traffic at a large event, researchers investigate traffic flow and the arrival behavior of visitors.
5. Verkehrsmittel, mit dem ihr angereist seid? Bus. Seit wann sind Sie auf dem WDR-2-Tag unterwegs schon heute?
Halb 2.
Alles klar, das Verkehrsmittel, mit dem du angereist bist?
Surveys conducted on the spot determine how the visitors get to an event, what means of transport they use, and what departure behavior can therefore be predicted. The data obtained in this way are used for computer simulations to obtain approximate values for arrival and departure traffic at future events. Results provided by Professor Seyfried and his team at Forschungszentrum Jülich are incorporated into this simulation.
In den Experimenten geht es darum, Kenngrößen von Personenströmen zu erfassen, also wann entsteht ein Stau, bei welchen Personen aufkommen, und darum, wann aus einem Stau zum Beispiel ein kritisches Gedränge entsteht. Um diese Kennzahlen zu erfassen, führen wir Experimente unter Laborbedingungen durch, wie zum Beispiel in den Filmen, den Sie jetzt sehen, in denen es um Kreuzungsbereiche geht und die Frage zum Beispiel, ob sich der Verkehr in einem Kreuzungsbereich durch Kreisverkehre verbessern lässt.
The parameters from the simulation are tested in real-life situations, and so are the theoretical models. Computer simulations have been developed to predict the behavior of visitors at large events more precisely. A simulation often provides good approximate values for arrival traffic. The application of further specialized knowledge is necessary in order to ensure safety at entry point situations. In pilot training sessions, the solutions resulting from the BaSiGo project are first subjected to a practical test. The focus here is on interdisciplinarity. Learning together is at the center of attention. As here in the area of crisis management, all the fields of specialized knowledge are involved. In-depth training sessions that go beyond the basics are designed to ensure a more professional approach on the part of all those concerned. The aim of the project is to provide a set of guidelines for the organizers of events, the so-called BaSiGo Guide. This will bring together relevant aspects from the different perspectives of all those involved and present them in topic areas.
Wir, die Stadt Düren, sind froh, mit unserer Anna Kirmes Teil des Forschungsprojektes BaSiGo zu sein. Dank der Beobachtungen und Resultate der vergangenen Jahre sind wir nun in der Lage, unsere Veranstaltung noch sicherer für alle Besucher zu gestalten.